Hello, bore da, good morning. Have a look at the sky behind me. How is the weather? Sut ma'r tywydd? Sut ma'r tywydd heddiw? How is the weather today? Well, I can see clouds up in the sky. Yeah. Mae'n cymylog. It's cloudy again. There is a little bit of sun. Mae'n braf. It's fine as well. Well, today we're going to sing a song about a worm because Megan, hello Megan, your mum tells me that this song is one of your favourites. So we're going to sing There's a Worm at the Bottom of My Garden. Now, I don't know about you, but I've got lots of worms at the bottom of my garden, wriggling around in the soil, but that's good. They help keep the soil nice and fresh. So, there may be a few different versions of this song that you know. I know maybe 3. So I'm going to sing them all. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm at the bottom of the garden, and all that he can do is wiggle all night and wiggle all day, whatever else the people do say. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and all that he can do is wiggle all day and wiggle all night. Everybody says, what a terrible fright. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and all that he can do is wiggle all day and wiggle all night. He wiggles to the left and he wiggles to the right. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. Well done if you sang along. Now, do you have worms like this in your garden? Well, be very nice to them. They're helping your grass and your flowers to grow. Here's a question though. Have you ever eaten a worm? I haven't. But have you ever eaten this? Do you know what this is? It looks like spaghetti, but it's not. It's a type of pasta called vermicelli. Vermicelli. And it's delicious. Now, vermicelli is an Italian word and it means little worms. They're not really little worms, it's just pasta and delicious. But if you've eaten vermicelli, then you have eaten little worms. Well, I'm going to say goodbye today, and I'll see you again tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm going to read you one of my poems. And it's a bit of a scary poem. No, not really. It's a bit of a frightening poem. No, not really. It's a bit of a terrifying poem. No, not really. It's a bit of a lovely poem. Oh, yeah, okay. It's a bit of a lovely poem. tiny little bit scary too. So I'll read you that one tomorrow. I'll say bye bye for now, and I'll see you again. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.